Hey, what's up, guys? So today is day 9. I'm training my male red tail hawk. He's down to 765 grams right now. So we're gonna fly him on a Koreans right now. So we'll see if he's gonna come to me. And yeah, so let's begin. I have a chicken here for him. Like I chop it off in little tidbits. So we're gonna see if he's gonna come to my glove. I think he's hungry enough. If not, then we're not gonna feed him today. Cheers, everybody. Oh, let's start. Okay, buddy. Let's see. So I'm getting him used to the different feelings when the hood is tight and the hood is untied. So he's fine sitting with this feeling. So now I'm gonna take the hood off. Good morning. Good morning. You want some food? Oh my gosh. I dropped it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my gosh, he doesn't think I good. Good boy, Darius. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You learn so fast, bro. You learn so fast in 9 days. Okay. Good boy. And so he doesn't bait. I'm gonna put some food here. Please. Good boy. Oh, we dropped some food there.